Hey, what's up guys? Hayden here, coming at you with another video. Today it is Wednesday, March 13th, I believe, and I wanted to give you guys a quick update here before I get the day not started, continued, because I've been up since 5:30. I took my brother to the airport. He was just here for about 2.5 weeks. It was incredible how much we got done together. I kind of showed him everything we're doing here, and not surprised, but turns out that he's one of the best workers ever. He listed thousands of books for me. He was just a complete animal. He was scanning, lightning fast, super accurate, and he was helping me ship constantly. It's just a great time to spend together. So I appreciate the help, Ollie. And if you're watching, thank you very much. So anyways, we ended off, April was the best month we've ever had. It's kind of funny, if you look at my app, our year-over-year increase was like, I don't know, it was like 4,000% or something. We ended up doing just under 60,000 in sales. We ended up taking home about 25% of that. As I've said before in some of my videos, that is not, I didn't pay myself 25%, right? So I didn't give myself about 15 grand. I'm on a salary, and I don't take more than my salary. I reinvest it into the business. I pay off debt. I save it for a rainy day. Right now we're in uncertain times. I'm actually really excited about the times we're in. I know they're horrible overall for some people. People are scared. But honestly, I've looked at this as a huge opportunity. I think it is a huge opportunity if you have the right mindset about it. So I'm very excited to see where things go here. I think a lot of opportunity, again, is going to be opening up. But, I have stuck to the same salary. I don't need any more than I pay myself now. I actually even went down in salary because before we were taking $4,000 a month from the business. Now we're going to take 3,000. We don't need to take 4, plain and simple. So we're going to take 3. I did, however, pay 4,000, I believe, for April though. But from now on, we're going to take 3. The ROI we can get if we reinvest more into the business is just so much higher. We're going to make so much more money long term if we keep reinvesting more. So 3,000 covers stuff like our mortgage and our utilities and everything. So, that's what we're doing. My wife works, so I'm fortunate to where I don't have to pull more out. So anyways, that's the April update there. That is our 13th full month in business. This month is off to the races as well. We're going to probably do, we're pacing to do like close to 40,000, I think. Full disclosure, just because this is important to note. So I hadn't sent a single book FBA, and this is where I'm going with everything to help you guys. So I haven't sent a single book FBA. It was like for 2 full months, something like that. And yet my sales were still very continuous, very steady through the whole thing. I think I had 12,000 books going into this whole thing. But I finally had my first pallet hit. It hit yesterday. And yesterday we did pretty good. We did like 2,400 in sales, which was great. Obviously it spikes when you send in a pallet and, it kind of tumbles down slowly. But, it was actually surprising how quick it hit. So I sent it out Wednesday. It started checking in like late Monday night, it seemed like. And so it only took 5 days, which was incredible. So, that was good to see. It's also good to see your pending orders are starting to go down, which means they're shipping out the product and you actually don't get paid unless they ship your product out. So if you have pending orders, you're not paid on those if they're FBA until they're shipped out. So that's great. We were getting close to like 1,000 pending orders at one point. Now we're at like 400. So I'm really, really excited about that. And obviously I'm seeing it in our balance. Another update is I am now unlocked in DVDs and CDs and on Amazon. I already was selling on eBay. Now we're unlocked on Amazon. I took my first sale of a FBA fulfilled DVD, Castle Season 5, and it was 22 bucks profit. I literally got that for free. So it's crazy. The pallets are more profitable. The shipping's cheaper. I'm really excited about other media in general. I still love books. Books are still, 95% of everything, but I'm really excited because we get mixed media gaylords. So I just sent out, I have my most profitable pallet ever that's about to go out. It should go out tomorrow. It was, I think it was 13 grand in profit, the pallet, and it was 1,400 items, I believe. And I usually don't do 4 rows, but I did 4 rows on this one because in Exceller list, I couldn't get, the shipments weren't aligning. They weren't all going to one place. So I kept having to add and add and add and add and add. And it just got worse and worse. So what I did was, and I didn't really want to do this, but I went into my seller account, which is a tip for you guys. Went to my seller account. You go to your settings and you can put in inventory placement services. So then when I went to submit the batch in Exceller list, it sent it all to one place. I will have to pay 10 cents a unit for that. I'm really not concerned about that though. No big deal. Think of how much headache that would have been for me to rebuild that whole thing and send out separate orders. That would have been ridiculous. So that's like the only time this has ever happened to me. And I wonder if it was because I did do mixed media on them. I did an assortment of books, CDs, and DVDs on there. So that might have been a reason, or simply just how many units were there. I usually stop around 800, and it's like usually 840 to 950. Depends on what size book it is, but it always works out perfectly. I always get a straight shipment to Dallas every time, and it works out great. But anyways, guys, that's what I got for you for the update. I swear to you, these videos are going to be more common, all right? And I'm going to do more. There's only so much I can talk about with what I'm doing in books and everything, guys. There's a lot more I want to talk about in just regular business, things I'm learning, I'm seeing. And I do have a good video for you next on people that are stuck or are not, they're basically not taking action. They're kind of just overthinking everything, or maybe they're scared about the situation we're in now. Now is not the time to be scared, you guys. Now is the time to double down. A lot of people are running scared and they're leaving this, and I've actually seen the prices on FBA are going up, and you can argue with me on that if you want, but it's true. I think there's more opportunity now than ever. So get out there, feed the beast. And please like this video if you liked it. Ask me any questions below. More than happy to answer anything that you guys got for me. And I will talk to you soon. Get out there and kill it today, guys. Thanks.